Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will be discussing one of my projects titled Solar Calculator used to calculate electricity bills. So, talking about the client's requirements, the client wanted us to design a step form to fill in their information and monthly bill. Then, the other requirement was to create a solar result page where they can show their monthly consumption and all the factor effects. The client wanted to add the functionality to help site owners and add state and their electricity value, and the user will get a copy result on their mail. To fulfill the client's requirement, we created a step form in WordPress. We also designed a result page with all the calculations. We developed a functionality used to send mails to users and site owners when someone visits the Solar Calculator page. Let me show you the execution. So, this is the demo of how users can fill this form and what kind of mail the admin and users will get. As a user, I visit the website, Property Solution, and I enter my monthly bill. Then, for the address, I will copy paste this address and click on Next. Now I have to type my name and click on Enter. Now I will have to enter my email address here and click Next. After this, I am required to fill in my phone number here. Once I have filled in all the details, I have to click on the submit button to redirect me on the my result page. So as you can see, here is my result page. This is my monthly bill, which I entered. This information is about system with battery. And if I have to view information regarding system without battery, I will have to click system with battery. By clicking on Buy or Finance, you can get all the information related to the system with battery. Now, when I have to click on Email Results, I will receive all the information in my mail. Also, one mail is sent to the admin as well. Now let me show you the mail that I received as an admin. So, as you can see that as an admin, this type of email will be received. All the information of the users will be mentioned in the email. You can even edit this email. On the contrary, as a user, I will receive this type of email. Here every detail will be available including the electricity bill calculation results. Let me tell you about the results. We designed the WordPress form using HTML, CSS and made it responsive to mobile and tablet views. We also developed functionality for editing state electricity rates and editing emails templates by admin. We utilize Google Location APIs for geolocations. We implemented functionality that sends Solar Calculator results on user's email. That was all about this project. If you have a unique business concept and you have a requirement of creating an interactive, feature-rich website, then hiring the Forcebolt team would be an ideal option for you. We have a highly talented and skilled team of WordPress developers who are experienced enough to deal with the WordPress development projects with ease. We work closely with our clients to understand their business objectives and define a custom strategy to deliver top-notch WordPress development services. Contact us now.